Hello my dear friends, welcome back to the Nutrinut YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different with you guys. We are going to start cooking, getting our hands dirty in the kitchen, and I want to show you guys a recipe that's very easy to make, that has very nourishing ingredients. You probably already have them in your kitchen somewhere. We're going to be making corn cake. But not any corn cake. It's this delicious, moist, indulgent corn cake that you are gonna love. And it's also gluten-free and vegan-friendly. Finding snacks that are not only great for you, for your body, that are nourishing and have clean ingredients, but also that have eco-friendly packaging can be a bit of a challenge, which is why my tip to you is if you want the best of both worlds, you gotta make it yourself. And pick recipes that are easy and simple to make so you don't get turned off by the work. Because let's face it, sometimes being in the kitchen for long hours can feel like a lot of work, and it can take a little bit of time, which is why I really believe in keeping things simple and just making your kitchen experience as enjoyable as you possibly can. So are you ready to get baking? Let's go to the kitchen. The very first thing you want to do, like for every recipe, you want to make sure that you measure out all of your ingredients ahead of time. These are the ingredients that I used, but feel free to make some substitutions. Like for example, you can swap the flax egg for just regular eggs, or even coconut oil for butter. After preheating the oven, we're first going to blend the corn with the milk alone, blend it well, and then we're going to add the other ingredients and blend that too. We're going to transfer that corn mix to a baking tray and we're going to bake it for 45 minutes. Corn cake is something very typical from Brazil. When it comes to cooking, I love to tap into my roots for inspiration and flavor from home. Make sure to subscribe to the Nutrinut YouTube channel to not miss another video. Until next time!